रास्ते में कुछ खा लेते हैं। लेट्स ईट समथिंग ऑन द वे। लेट्स ईट समथिंग ऑन द वे। क्या उसने उसकी हंसी में सच्चाई देखी? डिड ही सी द ट्रुथ इन हर लाफ्टर? डिड ही सी द ट्रुथ इन हर लाफ्टर? क्या उसने महसूस किया कि वह सिर्फ दिखावा कर रही थी? डिड ही रियलाइज दैट शी वॉज जस्ट प्रिटेंडिंग? डिड ही रियलाइज दैट शी वॉज जस्ट प्रिटेंडिंग? क्या उसने कभी उसके दर्द को समझा? डिड ही एवर अंडरस्टैंड हर पेन? डिड ही एवर अंडरस्टैंड हर पेन? मैं बस 5 मिनट में आता हूँ। I'll be there in 5 minutes. I will be there in 5 minutes. मुझे भी गुस्सा करना नहीं चाहिए था। I shouldn't have gotten angry either. I should not have gotten angry either. उसने खुद को फिर से खड़ा किया है। He has rebuilt himself again. He has rebuilt himself again. उसने जो खोया उससे ज्यादा पाया। He gained more than he lost. He gained more than he lost. वो अब किसी से डरता नहीं। He is not afraid of anyone now. He is not afraid of anyone now. अब उसके पास खोने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचा। He has nothing left to lose now. He has nothing left to lose now. मैं जब तक सच साबित नहीं कर दूंगी चैन से नहीं बैठूंगी। I won't rest until I prove the truth. I will not rest until I prove the truth. मैं अपनी बात मनवाकर ही रहूंगी। I'll make sure my point is accepted. I will make sure my point is accepted. मैं अपनी इज्जत खुद बचा सकती हूँ। I can protect my own dignity. I can protect my own dignity. मैंने तो बस अपना फर्ज निभाया है। I just did my duty. I just did my duty. मैं तुम्हारी बात मान लेता हूँ। I'll go with what you say. I will go with what you say. अगली बार बस थोड़ा संभल कर बोलना। Just be a bit careful next time. Just be a bit careful next time. चलो नई शुरुआत करते हैं। Let's start fresh. Let's start fresh. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा महसूस करता हूँ। I feel incomplete without you. I feel incomplete without you. सब कुछ इतनी जल्दी कैसे बदल गया? How did everything change so quickly? How did everything change so quickly? जिंदगी हमेशा हमारी सोच के हिसाब से नहीं चलती। Life doesn't always go as we plan. Life does not always go as we plan. अब सिर्फ यादें ही रह गई हैं। Only memories are left now. Only memories are left now. ठीक है अब भूल जाओ। All right, forget it now. All right, forget it now. चलो साथ चलते हैं। Let's go together. Let's go together. उसे भी थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए खुद को समझने के लिए। He also needs time to understand himself. He also needs time to understand himself. अभी वो कुछ सुनने की स्थिति में नहीं है। He is not in the state to listen to anything right now. He is not in a state to listen to anything right now. उसे अकेला छोड़ दो, वो खुद संभल जाएगा। Leave him alone. He will handle himself. Leave him alone. He will handle himself. क्या इसमें कोई तोहफा है? Is there a gift inside it? Is there a gift inside it? क्या इसमें किसी की चीज रखी है? Have you kept someone else think in it? Have you kept someone else think in it? क्या इसमें कोई नोट्स हैं? Are there any notes in it? Are there any notes in it? क्या इसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है? Is something written inside? Is something written inside? क्या तुम्हें भी कुछ लेना है मार्केट से?
Do you also need something from the market? Do you also need something from the market?
आज कुछ हल्का खाने का मन है. I feel like eating something light today. I feel like eating something light today. अब तो मैं लगभग पहुंच ही गया हूँ. I'm almost there now. I'm almost there now. मुझे लगा तुम नहीं आओगे. I thought you wouldn't come. I thought you would not come. बस 5 मिनट और लगेंगे. Just 5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes. मैं रास्ते में हूँ, चिंता मत करो. I'm on the way. Don't worry. I'm on the way. Don't worry. वहाँ का खाना हमेशा स्वादिष्ट होता है. The food there is always tasty. The food there is always tasty. मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो पीछे मुड़कर देखता है. I'm not the one who looks back. I'm not the one who looks back. मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो भाग जाए. I'm not the one who runs away. I'm not the one who runs away. मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो अपने शब्दों से पीछे हटे. I'm not the one who goes back on his words. I'm not the one who goes back on his words. मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो आसानी से हार मान जाए. I'm not the one who gives up so easily. I'm not the one who gives up so easily. मुझे ज़्यादा बाहर का खाना पसंद नहीं. I don't really like outside food. I do not really like outside food. लेकिन कभी कभी ठीक है. But it's fine once in a while. But it's fine once in a while. तुम कब तक वापस आओगे? When will you be back? When will you be back? बात को बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
There is no need to stretch the matter. There is no need to stretch the matter.
तुम मुझसे ये बात क्यों छुपा रहे हो? Why are you hiding this from me? Why are you hiding this from me? कभी कभी चुप रहना ही बेहतर होता है. Sometimes staying silent is better. Sometimes staying silent is better. मुझे लगा तुम कभी नहीं आओगे. I thought you would never come. I thought you would never come. चलो थोड़ी देर बाहर घूम आते हैं. Let's go out for a while. Let's go out for a while. उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार कहना. Give them my regards. Give them my regards. अब मुझे रातें भी सुकून भरी लगती हैं. Night feels peaceful now. Night feel peaceful now. अब मैं बस सादगी से जीना चाहता हूँ. Now I just want to live simply. Now I just want to live simply. मैं अब छोटी खुशियों में भी सुकून पाता हूँ. I find great peace in small joys now. I find great peace in small joys now. अब जिंदगी से ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं रखता. I don't expect much from life anymore. I do not expect much from life anymore. क्या तुम मेरे साथ मार्केट चलोगे? Will you come to the market with me? Will you come to the market with me? कभी कभी दिल की बात सच निकलती है.
Sometimes what the heart says turns out true. Sometimes what the heart says turns out true.
मुझे नहीं पता क्यों पर मन घबराया हुआ है. I don't know why, but I feel uneasy. I do not know why, but I feel uneasy. ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है. It feels like something big is about to happen. It feels like something big is about to happen. उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते बोलना. Say hello to them from my side. Say hello to them from my side. मेरे लिए उनसे माफ़ी मांग लेना. Apologize to them on my behalf. Apologize to them on my behalf. क्या तुम आज फ्री हो? Are you free today? Are you free today? अगर तुम्हारा मन हो तो साथ चलो. Come along if you feel like it. Come along if you feel like it. दुकानदार से बात कर लूँगा. I'll talk to the shopkeeper. I will talk to the shopkeeper. मैं वहाँ पहुँचा तो माहौल पूरी तरह बदल चुका था. When I reached there, the whole atmosphere had changed. When I reached there, the whole atmosphere had changed. मैं वहाँ हर हफ्ते जाता हूँ. I go there every week. I go there every week. मैं हमेशा पहले से तैयारी करता था. I always prepared in advance. I always prepared in advance. मैं मेहनत पर भरोसा करता था, किस्मत पर नहीं. I believed in hard work, not luck. I believed in hard work, not luck. मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने की कोशिश करता था. I tried to learn something new every day. I tried to learn something new every day. मैं सिर्फ नंबरों के लिए नहीं, ज्ञान के लिए पढ़ता था. I studied not for marks but for knowledge. I studied not for marks but for knowledge. मैं वहाँ अब नहीं जाता. I don't go there anymore. I do not go there anymore. मैं वहाँ पहली बार गया था. I went there for the first time. I went there for the first time. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.